How can you enjoy Dumbo without spending a fortune? Imagine standing on a waterfront with the Manhattan skyline shimmering across the river, feeling the cool breeze and hearing the city hum. Dumbo in Brooklyn offers this kind of magic, and you don't need to spend a lot to soak it all in. First, take a walk through Brooklyn Bridge Park. It stretches along the water and has open green spaces perfect for relaxing or having a picnic. You can sit on the grass, watch boats go by, or snap photos of the iconic Brooklyn Bridge and Manhattan skyline. Best of all, it's free to enter and enjoy. Next, visit Jane's Carousel. It's a beautiful vintage carousel built in 1922 and housed in a glass pavilion. While riding the carousel costs about $4 per ride, just walking around and taking photos of it is free. It's a lovely spot to capture waterfront views and enjoy the neighborhood's charm. If you want a panoramic view without paying, head to the rooftop of Time Out Market at the Empire Stores complex. You don't have to buy food to access the rooftop, which offers sweeping views of the Brooklyn Bridge and Lower Manhattan. It's a perfect place to take pictures or just relax and take in the scenery. Throughout the year, Dumbo hosts free or low-cost events. For example, the First Thursday Gallery Walk lets you explore local art galleries without spending a dime. There are also community events like outdoor movies in Brooklyn Bridge Park during the summer, which are free for everyone. If you prefer walking or biking, crossing the Brooklyn Bridge itself is free and provides stunning views of the city. You can also hop on the New York City Ferry at Fulton Ferry, landing for a scenic and affordable ride to Dumbo. Walking around the neighborhood is another great way to enjoy Dumbo without spending money. The streets are filled with colorful street art and historic industrial buildings. Self-guided walking tours are easy to do and give you a chance to see the neighborhood's artistic and historic side at your own pace. Finally, pack your own snacks or lunch and enjoy a picnic in Brooklyn Bridge Park or along the waterfront. It's a simple way to save money while soaking up the lively atmosphere and breathtaking views. By focusing on free parks, scenic viewpoints, community events, and walking or biking, you can experience all that Dumbo has to offer without breaking the bank. This neighborhood is all about enjoying the city's beauty and energy in a budget-friendly way.